What are you waiting for? You made it all the way here and you still didn't subscribe? Come on now. Let's get in my bag, okay? Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button and that notification bell. So this week's video is all about makeup. This beat is for my girls and boys who want to serve face, all natural but still glam, okay? Let's get right into it. Disregard my dry face right now. I'm literally wearing nothing but my toner, and if you know, you know, like for real. As you can see, I broke out in my forehead a little bit, but this has literally been saving my life. Use this every single night. Before we jump right into it, before we get into my bag, I just gotta be upfront. To do this look, you're gonna need a setting spray of your choice, and a primer of course of your choice. For me personally, I go nowhere without this bottle. This setting spray it's a game changer. I know that MAC has an amazing one, but if you've used this before, or if you plan on getting it and you were hesitant, don't. Just get it because it works. You're gonna need it, and as we go through this video, you're gonna see why. Another thing on my list is my Smashbox primer. I know it's itty bitty, but you're gonna need this to make your skin look smooth and flawless. So if you're gonna really get into doing your makeup, whether it's to go out to dinner, go to work, go to school, go to a party, you want it to last and you want it to look good, this is a combination right here that will save your life. You need this to start your makeup, and you need this throughout your entire makeup process. Alright, I'm back. I had to wrap my hair up. I just cannot deal with makeup getting in my hair. It's too much. It's hard to get out. My hairdresser is booked and I just don't have the time. So gotta protect the hair, gotta protect it at all costs. So now let's get in my bag, okay? Oh, disregard my mirror. I just have to look at what I'm doing. Face is primed, and now I'm gonna set my face with my setting spray. So shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And for my brows, I use two concealers. I use the Maybline and the LA Girl Pro Concealer. When I'm doing a look like this, I like to go in with my foundation, which is my Estée Lauder foundation. I already have my sponge wet, as you can see, wet sponge, and we're just gonna blend everything out now. So after I do my foundation, I like to go in with my lighter concealer. The lighter concealer that I'm using is the same one I use for my brows. This concealer is super bright, like as you can see, not too much for my complexion, but it gets the job done. And if you know what you're doing, you will get it right, girl. While this sits, I like to contour my face. This is actually a really dark concealer for me, so I put like a little bit to make it stretch. It's gonna lighten up as soon as I go along. We're pretty much gonna lose that really defined look, but it's still gonna be there, if I'm making sense. For people who usually don't wear makeup, I wouldn't advise to contour this dark, because sometimes it gets out of control, to be honest, and then you just get stressed out. nose. I don't like my nose contour to be too sharp, so I like to go in with that same beautiful bronze concealer, the same one that I use to do my combination with my highlight is the same one that I'm gonna use to contour my nose. You want your nose contour to be snatched but not forced. Like, ain't nobody look like that every single day. So just go over that contour, make sure it doesn't look too harsh on the bottom of my face. You know, nice, clean control. Okay, so to set the under eyes, set all that concealer that you just put on, I like to go in with my banana powder from Makeup Revolution. I put some on my brush, dust it off a little, and kind of like press it in. I want to have like that lifted bright under eye, so I just go out with it just to get that bright under eye look that I like. I like to look like I'm awake. I go in with some setting powder on my sponge, put it up all the way under my eye, I press it all the way up there. And now I go in with my blush and my bronzer with my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, because this is a gem. This is, if you have one, get two, because you're gonna need it. Like, I run through this palette like it's nothing. All the shades are perfect. Like, they're all perfect. Perfect for bronze, blush, contour if you need to, and eyeshadow. And these are all the tones that I use when I'm doing my eyeshadow. I don't deviate. I just think this is what you need to get your face looking snatched for every occasion, okay? I'm just going around all the areas that I contoured with this, and then I'm gonna go in with the pink shades, the burgundy and orange pinkish, all three in that middle row, so that I could add blush and put back some color to my skin. And me, I like to overdo it with the blush, so I'm always gonna do too much. So maybe this part not so natural, but you can't go wrong with blush. All we need to do is set it and get some mascara. I should get a fan, shouldn't I? It's giving ghetto, but hey, it be like that sometimes. For my highlight, of course, it's always gonna be Fenty Beauty Trophy White. So for me, I like to go in with my Morphe M510 brush because it's very thin. And, man. And it blends well. So just fix that. Maybe I was a little heavy-handed with this one, but hey, it's highlight. Who does not like to glow? I line my lips with my Fenty gloss, and then I go in with my Lauder lip gloss. Just to give some tint. Natural, cute, soft lips, okay? And for mascara, I absolutely love the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Like, I use it all the time. Every time I'm gonna wear mascara, I use this. But of course, I have to go in with my Tartelette. It's so little. I got it as a sample the other day when I bought a bunch of stuff from Tarte. My Tarte mascara. These two combinations, like, yeah, it's real cute. I'm gonna put my mascara on off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the finished look. Okay, y'all, there you have it. This is the final look. Of course, snatched. It's giving I went to the salon and I got my hair done, I got my makeup done, and yeah, we're serving face. All the products that I use in this video I will drop in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.